In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord keeps disconnecting, reconnecting problem. If your calls keep dropping or you see Discord repeatedly reconnecting, don't worry. We'll go through the essential fixes, starting with the quickest ones, then moving to PC-specific solutions for Windows and Mac. First, restart Discord. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches. Make sure you fully close it, not just minimize it. On Windows, open Task Manager and use End Task on Discord so it shuts down completely before you reopen it. This helps if the app was stuck in the background or cached a bad connection state. Next, restart your internet. Power cycle your modem and router so they establish a fresh connection with your provider. Unplug them, wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and give them a minute or two to fully light up. This often resolves random packet loss that causes Discord to reconnect. If you can, switch networks to rule out a local Wi-Fi issue. Try a different Wi-Fi band or a wired connection. You can also test with a mobile hotspot just to confirm whether your home Wi-Fi is the culprit. Keep in mind that hotspots use mobile data, so only test briefly. If the disconnects happen specifically during voice calls on a server, change the voice server region. You'll need permission to edit the channel. Right-click the voice channel, choose Edit Channel, look for Region Override, and select a region closer to you or your group. Save your changes. Picking a nearby region can reduce latency and stabilize the call. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off. VPNs commonly cause reconnect loops because they add extra hops or trigger IP changes mid-call. Disable the VPN or proxy, then restart Discord so it reconnects directly to its servers. Finally, try turning off hardware acceleration in Discord. Open user settings, go to advanced, and disable hardware acceleration. This shifts rendering away from your GPU and can help if your system or drivers don't play nicely with Discord's acceleration. You'll be prompted to restart Discord. Go ahead and do that so the change takes effect. Work through these in order. Fully close and restart Discord, reboot your modem and router, test a different network or hotspot, adjust the voice server region if calls are the issue, disable any VPN or proxy, and turn off hardware acceleration. With these targeted fixes, most reconnecting problems clear up quickly and your calls should stay stable.